Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to properly merge on a highway. I got a jetpack. Hey, hey, RCF. But hey, where is the cat though? Yo guys, we gotta find that cat. I'm dead ass. I'm dead serious. But anyways, guys, also this car is really dirty. Yo guys, I think today's goal is to actually take this car to our car wash and show it some love. Show it a lot of love. If you guys missed the last video, y'all, the windshield is actually getting fixed this month. Hey kitty. Guys, we have a clue. Ah, all right. We got a clue. All right, guys, I just did a quick circle around the block, and I don't see the cat. But when I do see it, yeah, you guys know what's gonna happen. Back to the main event, which is this dirty-ass RC that needs a car wash. But right now, you guys need a cold start, kind of. Damn, it's so windy. Ever since I posted that video about the cat, after that, I haven't seen the cat. Anyways, guys, so basically today, we are actually going to be showing the RCF a bit of love. Ever since it became winter time, I kind of really haven't been taking the best care of this car. I haven't washed it in over 4 months. I haven't even cleaned the interior of the car. So today is all about showing this RCF, you know, the love that it deserves. Feel me? But before we actually do anything about cleaning the car, you guys already know, like, you know, car guy plus gym bro, you know, is a great combo. So we got to hit the gym first. And also, guys, if you guys are one of the people that have been waiting for me for so long to fix the windshield, smack that like button, because I'm just curious to see how many people have been waiting for me to fix the windshield. And if you are actually excited to no longer see a crack in front of the screen, smash that like button. Because like I'm just so curious to see how many people like actually just wanted me to fix this windshield, because it's been a while. I did take my time on it on purpose, but I guess it needs to be fixed. Like it actually has to be fixed. So yeah. But anyways, enough of me talking. Let's hit the gym.
She told me that she had me and she got another man. I told her I need money, I don't care about her ass. You talking down to me and then I leave you.
I swear, guys, it never gets old. Yo, guys, I'm such a dumbass. First of all, the wind, yo, it's windy as shit. And tell me how I pull up to the gym, right? All the way to the gym, just to realize that I don't have my fucking headphones. I don't have my headphones. I do not. Yo, it's about to be a real struggle to work out today. But we still got to get it done though. So it's all right. Now, I am kind of at a shopping center, so I could just buy a new set of headphones. I feel like it's overboard. It's just going to have to be a silent workout, or I'm going to just have to listen to gym music, which you guys already know how that goes. It's not really all that good. So, I mean, it's all good. Anyways, guys, let's close this bad boy. Oh, yo. Oh my gosh, this car is really dirty. Like, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Yo, this is like 4 months of not, 4 months of not washing this car. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not even gonna hold you guys. For a black car, right, that hasn't been washed for 4 months, at least on camera, it doesn't look that bad. But in person, yeah, like you could definitely tell this car hasn't been washed. But on camera, it's not that bad. Like, but in person or up close, yeah. Yeah.
2 hours later.
And a quick word of advice. If you ever pull up to the gym and if you don't have your headphones, yeah, you should probably go grab them from home. And those of you who work out without headphones, yo, you guys got to be serial killers. Because, yo, that workout was terrible. Well, it wasn't terrible, but it took longer than expected. But anyways, guys, it's time to give this car a wash. Right? It's time to actually head over to the car wash and clean this car, because this shit is filthy. It is, man, windy. It's so windy outside. Oh, my gosh. Yo, man. One of my favorite things about this car is the cold starts. Like it just sounds so good. I don't understand why it's so windy today, yo. As in, like, I'm sitting in this car, right? And the car is shaking because of the wind. But, you know, it's a good thing this car weighs like 2 tons, though. So, you know, it's not that bad. But, yo, this wind is crazy. All right, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to properly merge on a highway. Sort of, kind of. Because I'm pretty sure I got cold-ass tires right now. I'm not trying to G80 or G82, you feel me? Guys, I'm just making mad noise right now. And I'm enjoying every second of it.
I told you don't call me in this strip club on Ball.
All right, guys, so this definitely isn't the car wash, and we are here only because it's going to sound ridiculous. I kind of wanted to look back at it, you feel me? And if you don't know what I mean, I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. Let's just get out real quick. Well, shoot, first step is turn this shit off. Man, who am I kidding, right? Make sure I have the keys on me. All right, I just wanted to just walk, you know, and look back at it real quick. That's about it, guys. But I'm gonna just enter the store so it doesn't seem awkward. Yeah, let's do that. I was actually trying to buy something, but the things in there are expensive. I'm gonna just get it somewhere else. All right, it's now time to go. And yeah, it's time to Domino's. Oh man, expensive ass gas station, man. Cool, it's a neutral. It's time to go. All right, guys, we are finally at the car wash. It took a while, but we made it. And it's time to actually wash this car. If it was a tad bit more warm outside, I would have washed this car myself. But like, I'm not standing outside in 40 degrees weather. Nah, that's crazy. Only if I could find that coupon, I could have saved $1. Man, I'm sure it's somewhere in here. And you guys already know, it's only hand washes over here. Ever since I got this car, I don't think I've ever actually put this car through an automatic car wash. But the car does have a lot of micro scratches and imperfections with the paint, which I will fix. due to the previous owner. But me personally, right, I try to take care of the car's paint. Well, I can't even say that because I haven't washed this car in 4 months. I'm not even gonna say that, but yeah, I try to do what I can with the car's paint. It's been 4 months since I've seen this car this shiny. It's crazy. Yo, guys, in the wheels too. It's nice. I'm gonna just show you guys why I gotta drive on the sidewalk, because this shit is way too steep for me. So I go over there and I drive right off of that driveway. It's more low car friendly, unlike this. Let me show you how we do it. So we drive on the sidewalk. We kind of have to angle the car, you feel me? Because we're so low. And we're trying to keep our front lip also. And then we put our seatbelt on because we are safe people, right? We are safe people. I did have it on before, but somehow it actually came off. Silly me. And we wait. Make sure the coast is clear to, oh, Nissan Altima. Definitely gotta watch out for these ones. Feel me? All right. And yeah. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys something crazy about living in New York, man. And man, I'm gonna be honest, guys. It doesn't matter what car you have, yo. It could be a Toyota. It could be an 1858 Civic. It could be a whole pickup truck. Feel me? But for some strange reason, you will get your wheels stolen. Bro, they put his shit on a plank. What? Bro, that's disrespect. What the fuck? Bro, on a plank. Plank. Bro, that's the first time I've seen a car on a plank. Yo, bro, they had to like turn it sideways in order to like, you know, make sure it's up. Nah, that's wild. Damn, ain't I just missed the red light? I mean, it's all right, you know, but damn. I mean, I can't even laugh, but like, damn. Bro, I ain't even know that they steal these wheels. Nah, that's insane. Anyways, silly shit. Sheesh. Wow, yo guys, this is a day and night difference. What? What? Yo guys, this car is like a whole new car right now. Like I haven't seen this car this clean in like 4 months. 4 months. Or 3.5, but what? The next phase, guys, is a new windshield so that the car could look all around, I guess, put all together in a sense. Because it looks clean right now, except for the windshield.